Benny Abante, Sia Adyong, Jose Alvarez. Dito binabanggit ninyo kung saan kinuha eh. Halimbawa, si Benny Abante, kinuha niya sa House of Representatives saka sa Townhouse. Si Sia Adyong, mga congressman po ito House of Representatives niya kinuha. Jose Alvarez sa Forbes Park House. Jojo Ang, Townhouse. Julien Baronda, Townhouse. Ace Barbers, Townhouse. Ching Bernos, House of Representatives. Arlene Brosas, House of Representatives, Townhouse. Franz Castro, House of Representatives, Townhouse. Joel Chua, House of Representatives. Manix Delipe, House of Representatives. Ito nga, si Laila de Lima, Townhouse din niya kinuha. Dan Fernandez, House of Representatives, Townhouse. Janet Garin, House of Representatives, Townhouse. Dong Gonzales, Townhouse. J. Konghun, House of Representatives at Townhouse. Jerbil Luistro, House of Representatives. Raul Manuel, House of Representatives and Townhouse. Ito yung mga makabayan group na sinasabi ni Senate President kanina eh. Raul Manuel, Franz Castro, Arlene Brosas. Ito yung makabayan black. Na kapag nagsasalita sila sa House of Representatives, matagal ko po silang nakasama roon eh. Wala nang ginawang mabuti ang gobyerno. Palagi sila na nang mabuti. Na parang sila, ay ngayon pala di ko sinasabing totoo lahat ito, kaya kayo nandito para patibayan ninyo, para tindigan ninyo na totoo lahat ang sinabi nyo rito. Sandro Marcos, Forbes Park. Paulo Ortega, House of Representatives. Joseph Paduano, House of Representatives, Townhouse. Stella Kimbo, House of Representatives, Townhouse and Residence. J.J. Suarez, House of Representatives. Erwin Tulpo, Green Hills, House of Representatives.